Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix fast boot problem or recovery problem even if your mobile is not working. So already I faced this problem and I solved my problem with lots of videos and other channels on the internet. But for the fast process, I made this video. I hope you will like this video. So even if you are facing same these problems, so you can follow these tips and you can back to your normal mobile. Okay, let's start. So before going ahead, I will tell you, be calm, do not panic, and leave your mobile as it is for some time, because I know that when this happened, I was really panicked and I don't know what to do. Even I do not want to go to the other shops because they can see my data on the mobile or even for the other problems, and I do not want to waste my time as well as money. So I will suggest be calm as it is, leave your mobile for some time, and after that once you get back to the normal, then we can solve this problem. Okay, so there's a main function you can use that on the right hand side of the mobile. You can see that volume down button and power off button. Press that button for the 5 to 10 seconds. Hold it for the 5 to 10 seconds. Then you can see that we'll go on the other options. Okay. So you do that. After that, you need to do volume up button for some time. Even I'm saying here 10 seconds. And after that, press power off button. Okay. Follow this. Even I'm sharing this presentation in the below link. You can download that. Okay. So once you do that, you can see that there are the three main options like reboot, wipe data, and connect with MI assistants. Okay, I will explain you step by step what is this. So in the reboot data, you can do reboot to system and your mobile will start automatically. Okay, so that is the one of the problems. If the problem is not major, in that case, after rebooting the data, your mobile will get back to the normal. Second option is wipe data. So this is harsh to say, but this is reality. I did this because my mobile was having some major problem. So you can do that, wipe data. Then after that, it will goes to the wipe your all data, confirm it. And after that, you will see that again, your mobile will start after this. Okay. So this is another problem. Even after doing this, you can do that reboot to system after wipe the data. Third option is connect with MI assistance. I will say do not go for this option because I already tried. You need to connect your mobile with the laptop and it says that if the version is updated like Marshmallow and above that, so in that case your mobile might not be connected and it's really dangerous to connect your mobile. Even do not try other tricks like connecting with the laptop and all the data that will damage your mobile. So basic three things: reboot to system and reboot to your mobile, that you can get back to your normal mobile. After that, even that is even not happening, if there is a major problem, then wipe data. I know it is harsh, but you have to do that. Then after that, again reboot system, your mobile will start, and do not go for connect with MI assistance. So this is it. Thank you so much. Your mobile will start. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please be calm and do all of these things. And if you have any query, please let me know. Thank you.